Okay, this is a case of once you see it, you cannot unsee it anymore. I have to apologize. It was a solar eclipse. It seems to affect the guys 40-year-old above.
Yeah, that's the effect of the solar eclipse today.
We apologize, huh? Okay. Well, thank you. Very nice dance number for all of them. I was just kidding. Guys, maybe you should have this honor to have a picture taken with Betrosel Brand.
Yeah,
and the ladies, can you just step down for a while the gentlemen have a picture taken with the debutant?
Yeah, Alexandra, we call
Alex,
the stage.
sit down here, please.